Ladies and gentlemen and ladies and gents, got a little bit something to talk to you guys about right now. I am on the computer talking to you guys on the handheld device, and at the same time, I'm getting ready to go take care of some other household business, cleaning up and all that other wonderful stuff on this Friday. But we do have to talk about something, and I just thought I'd take you guys' attention for a moment. People have been suggesting that there's been a lot of videos this month, and that is correct. 67 so far. This is the 68th video for this month. That's right, 68. There are 10 more videos in the background, about to be a total of maybe 15 more. We will be over 100 videos by Sunday. Easy for 1 month. The most I've ever done. The most I've ever done. But it is the most information I've ever put out at one time. It's a necessity. It is necessary. Okay, it's one of those necessaries. Ladies and gentlemen, I just had an individual scheduled consult. He is one of those who has an arbitration. Previously, I couldn't talk about the arbitration because I was associated with the arbitration as a auxiliary arbitrator. In other words, when they had cases that dealt with some type of law that the other arbitrators weren't familiar with, then I would be the one who would handle that. So I operated as a subcontractor for the Arbitration Association. The Sitcom Arbitration Association at SAA.com is still functioning and doing business and handling arbitrations. As I said the other day, ladies and gentlemen, going to SAA. No, SAA Limited.com. Sorry. SAA Limited, S is in Sam, A is in Apple, A is in Apple, Limited with an ED.com. You go to contract template. A lot of people are trying to figure out, how can I get tax credits? I don't have anything. I have never filed taxes. So for those of you who are non-taxpayers, the simplest and easy way for you to get tax credits is to re-provision the contract that you have with all of these agencies and entities. You owe money to an organization, corporation, and use the coupon contract. I just did a video showing you guys how your promissory notes are legal tender, according to Congress, that your promissory note are the new gold. So you might as well use the new gold to pay your bills. I'm not joking. Now, you send out the contract. They have 10 days to provide the information. If they need extra time, they're only given an extra 10 days. It's what the contract says. Okay? You just fill it in, fill it out, go to the Eon channel, look up the videos under arbitration, fill it out, send it out, and then wait your 20 days. That's all you need is just 20 days. Just sit and wait. They're calendar days. So just wait the 20 days. Okay, now you can send out your notice of fault, opportunity cure, and all that. Now, if you want to solidify things, then get the arbitration. But if you want to leave it as is, oh, and you can't make it for anything outlandish, it must be reasonable. You cannot make the amount anything that's unreasonable, because if it's unreasonable, then it will be invalid and held invalid and all that stuff, and you run into a whole lot of problems. So, ladies and gentlemen, after you do that and you get an arbitration done, I'm going to suggest you get an arbitration done. If you don't want to use SAA, then you find somebody to do the arbitration for you. Then after you do that, then all you have to do is wait 90 days after the award is issued. 90 days. Ta-da! Those of you who've already done that, then the amount that you received, now you go watch the video. Successfully completed 1099C. Put that in the Eon channel. Or just go to the Eon channel and write the word successfully. There's only one video with the word successfully there. It's 5 minutes and 16 seconds talking about 1099C. So do successfully 1099C and you'll pull the video up automatically to be the one of the top ones. Once you do that, just follow the instructions in there. You're the creditor, they're the debtor. And then when you file your taxes, usually if you regularly file taxes, 1099, I mean, not 1099, 1040, And if you don't regularly file taxes and you're a non-taxpayer and you want to do it for your sole proprietor or for an LLC or for a corporation, it's easy to go and get an EIN. And you just file the proper paperwork. And there you go, you have your taxes. If you are wise enough, diligent enough, you could literally be tax free for the rest of your life, and it won't matter as to whether or not you're a non taxpayer or anything, because you'll have enough tax credits to literally purport to get a refund back when you do it right. RIGHT, when you follow the law. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's what I wanted to take the time to tell you. Now, for those of you who've already done your arbitration, you already have your award and everything, that's how you get those credits. For those of you who just want to, I need to get some credits because I just really need some help, then you go ahead and follow the process for the arbitration process. Okay, I just did a video recently last week. Go watch it. It explains it quite succinctly. Alrighty then. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the individuals getting consults, and there are quite quite a few, especially at the beginning of the year. I'm exhausted, not because of them, but because there's so much to do, so much to talk about. The one who called today, he thought his issues were limited until we had a deeper conversation. Then he realized, wait a minute, I need to do that. I need to do that. Oh, wait, I have to do a land patent too. Wait, I need to do that too. So he thought the need for the consult was one issue and not many. At the end of the pre-quote, because everybody gets a pre-consult conversation where we get to talk about what's going on, what they want to talk about, so that I can determine the level of which the consult is going to expand. And after talking to him, he realized there's probably 5 or 6 things that we will be talking about when the consult happens. So, for the rest of you, if you're scheduling a consult, just follow the instructions underneath the video. Underneath every video, there is a link for a video explaining the consults. You're not going to be going to the double EON. You're going to be going to the single E at eon.tv. Okay, that's the correct email for you. Anybody else sending anything to that, you will get blocked. Sorry. It's just the way it is. That email is only for specific reasons. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a wonderful day. And I just stretched because I've been up. But I got my sleep last night, but I have been up. And it's only going on 1 o'clock. It's 12:28. And I already feel like it's 4 or 5 o'clock. But doesn't matter. It's been a great day, and I'm gonna break myself out of here to let y'all have y'all great day, and we will talk the next time. All right. So just a little short video explaining to people about arbitrations and using the value of your arbitration to convert into credits when you do it the right way. Go back, listen to this and another video on arbitration, and you will see. Have a good day, everyone. Arrivederci.